Today we are going to learn 15 words that can be tricky to pronounce and that you need to know to improve your English, both in speaking and in reading. Are you ready? I say, you say. That's the only way we get better. All right? Here we go. About. About. It's about time we practice our English. About. Again. Again. To do one more time, we say again. Now, it looks like again, but in the U.S., we say again. Again. The G is hard. Again. Okay, say it. After. After. After this lesson, you'll have a good sense of pronunciation. After. Always. Always. Not always. Always. I always like to pronounce fun words. Always. Also. Also. I'm going to go to the store to buy some fruit. I think I'll also buy some vegetables. Also. In addition to. Before. Not after, but before. Before. Before you turn this video off, make sure you practice. Before. Are you practicing? Between. Between. Between you and me, English is not that hard. Between. You can do it. Both. Both. The O is long. O. Both. And the TH is unvoiced. Both. During. During. Or during. During. What? For a period of time. During this lesson, you should be practicing. Or during this lesson, you should be practicing. During or during. Got it. Even. Even if you struggle, don't give up. Even. Just. Just. Just keep practicing. Just. Since. Since. Since we've started, I think you're getting better. Since. The C sounds just like the S. Since. Since. Great. Still. Still. Not steal. Still. Are you still practicing? Excellent. While. While we do this lesson, I think you're getting stronger. While. And finally, enough. Enough. The E is long. E, and then the O-U-G-H is uff. Enough. Have you had enough of English? Don't. There's still more. We're going to review. Here we go. Speed round. I say, you say, no sentences. Enough. While. Still. Since. Just. Even. During. Or during. Both. Between. Before. Also. Always. After. Again. And about. Why does English make everything so tricky? I don't know, but now you know how to pronounce all of these words. I hope. Can you make a sentence with one of these words? You can. Well, leave it in the comments. Or tell me which word was most difficult and which word was the easiest. Have a great day, friends. Peace. Hit like and subscribe if you haven't already. All right? Peace, friends.